Welcome to 4939 Parkview Drive. This home is situated in the well-coveted community of Lake Point at Toho. The community has a community pool, there's a basketball court, tennis court, walking trails, and this home actually sits on Fells Cove. We are minutes to Lake Nona, 15 minutes to downtown St. Cloud. It is one that you are going to have to check out today, so follow me, let's take a look.
We want to thank you for touring this 6-bedroom, 3-bath house. We are Trevor and Jessica Snyder with Coast to Coast Collective, and if you want your private tour, please join us.